Welcome to the Rapida 76. Now, before we start this press, would you please be so kind and take a look right over there to your right-hand side. What you see there is the Rapida 106. It's the benchmark in the mid-format class. And when we brought this to Drupa 4 years ago with all the new technology, everyone was going, well, why don't you give us that kind of automatic technology in the small format class? Well, this is exactly what the KBA engineers did. They transferred all those nice features into the Rapida 76, a totally new constructed machine, brand new, and we want to show you what this baby can do for you. Benny, our printer, is going to bring her up to speed right now, and I'll tell you something about the different features. Starting with the feeder. Ladies and gentlemen, it now has the Drivetronic feeder from the Rapida 106, fully automatic. Format is set automatically. Everything is done fully automatically. Ladies and gentlemen, the infeed is now sensoric. It's got the Drivetronic SIS system, the same like on the Rapida 106. There is a sensor that reads the position of each and every sheet, tells that to the gripper bar. The gripper bar then adjusts the sheet in a matter of parts of a second and hands it over to the transfer drum in perfect position. This saves you a lot of make-ready time, but this is also the base for achieving that kind of speed. You see, we are running at 18,000 sheets per hour. In a moment, ladies and gentlemen, we will slow down and go into a job change. We will do that with a system called Drivetronic SPC. It's not only an automatic plate changing system, this is a simultaneous plate changer. So you can change all the plates on all the units at the same time. Also, while doing that, you can wash the blankets, the rollers, and the impression cylinder at the same time. So the whole process, plate changing, takes about 45 seconds. The whole process takes about a minute, and you have the new job made ready. And you can see that we're doing it right here. The handler doesn't have to do anything. Everything is controlled from the control console, simple press of a button. In here we have a camera, ladies and gentlemen, that makes a photo of each and every sheet. That photo can be used for quality control. The Rapida can measure the color density and adjust the color density during full production. It can check the register during full production and adjust the register. And you also can even compare the PDF, the original, to each and every sheet during full production. Another thing we have here, which is also identical to the Rapida 106, is the delivery. New highline delivery sheet goes up here, stays flat all the way till the end. And in here is a dryer that KBA calls Very Dry Blue that can save you energy. You have 3 dryer banks in here, and the first 2 dryer banks, the air that is used in the first 2 dryer banks is not yet saturated with moisture, so it can be used again, and that's what they do in the 3rd dryer bank. By using the air again, they don't have to heat additional air, and if you don't have to heat additional air, obviously you save energy. The marketing guy said if you take a German print shop with 6 days a week, 3 shifts a day, under German energy prices, you could save between 10 and 20,000 euros a year compared to a conventional dryer system. As I said, everything is controlled from the control console in the front. The control console now has a wall screen which can show you the picture I was talking about earlier from the inline cameras. There you can see, this is actually the live picture. And you can see how it changed when we just started production and it got into color. You could see that very nicely. Also, you have a spectral measurement system there, color density measurement, register control. Everything can also be done from the control console, and that control console is identical on all the Rapidas. So if you can work on one, you should be able to run the other presses. Ladies and gentlemen, thank you very much for your attention, and please come closer because we hand you out all the sheets straight from the press so you can see the quality for yourself. Thank you very much.